Nah, you can see the blank canvas ya. I mean, sorry, the blank picture over here. Now, in order to create things like this, how to do the sunflower, like the one I sent to you can probably see it, the basic shape of the circle, like this one, and going to the making it like, for example, this one is a pretty basic, yeah, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nah, only 8 petals, but it's in the front. But how about the side? How about when it's facing the other angle? Nah, you need to understand the ability of doing it. This is the basic shape. Yeah, this is the basic steps that you can try to follow up. Nah, but for those who would like to start going on with me, I will be guiding you through the process of making it. Just for example, using the standard HB pencil or maybe 2B if you have it right now. And then remember, every part of the objects that I share to you, not only today, but also in every day in the class, it's coming from the basic shape like the circle, square, or even triangle. Nah, I put it like, for example, this one. If you think this HB ya, nah, the shape can be like this for facing it going over there, and then facing you in the middle part of it. Okay, this is the basic shape of the center part for the sunflower. Now, for making it the side part of it, now do remember it has this kind of contour. Nah, and then this. Okay, sir, you are like doing making like the audio visual or something. But you just try to follow. Yes, Devon, you need anything?
Sir, ini flowernya ini drawingnya ikutin Mister gini atau boleh apa aja, sir?
Nah, the one that I'm sharing to you, yeah, is please understand everybody. If I'm sharing it to the screen, you need to try to follow up first, okay? Follow up the basic. Now, after that, I need you to do the sunflower drawing, yeah, like the one that I sent to the meeting chat, okay? Only the sunflower. You don't have to do the like the peony, like have the cosmos or thing like that. But if you think that you are going to create this kind of flower, now, and then I would like to make everybody doing the same. So I will need you to focus onto the shape of sunflower, like in the one that I share. Coba, if you can follow up with me sampai the end of the class, and then itu jadi, it's done, and then submit that one. Yeah, you don't have to experiment onto the other type of the flowers because in the making of it is different ya, Devon. Jadi mendingan ikutin aja yang Sir punya. Nanti kalau udah jadi, submit yang ini aja ya.
Oke, sir.
Iya, it will be much more easier. Okay. Nah, after done with this, ini you guys with the HB pencil dulu ya. And then next part of it, it will be a petals. Nah, the petals, the first thing first, if the sunflowers has this kind of cone, nah, just do remember ya. And then the side part of it is going to be like this. Nah, you try to fill it with the variety of the shape. Nah, ini the things that I share to you, it's still in the HB stage ya. What I mean by that is later on, after you are fully understand where the shape is gonna be, and you need to have the 2B pencil, or maybe you can just use the press for your pencil to create the detail part of your flower. For example, I'm adding the detail like the petals going over here, going there, and then sometimes there would be like a variation of the size and also the variation of the petals like this, and then adding the back part of it. Nah, create another kind of shape like this one. Or maybe if you would like to add a tiny little details in between it, it's also fine. The front part of it, the back. Yeah, voila. Okay, so the shape it's going to be looks like this, kind of a little bit of the moderate, yeah, not really complicated, like the moderate shape. Now, after you've done with this, it's time for you to prepare with the shading. Now, for the shading itself, it needs to be with the 2B. And for the darkest part of this, it's supposed to be better with the 4B or 6B or even with the 8B to create the dimension of the flower. Yeah, it is what's more important in this class than you are just doing, sir, I can do the rose better than the sunflower. Okay, if you think you can do the rose better, and then the problem is, might be it has a slight different proportion, and then it will be questioned by the other art teacher. Sir, you doing in the class sunflower, why it's coming out one of the students or two of the students become the pioneer, things like that one. Nah, gini ya, remember ya students ya, it doesn't mean that I forbid you. Cuman problemnya I yang ditanyain, oke? Okay? And waktu I ditanyain, saya bilang, saya udah kasih beberapa contoh buat students. I've giving the examples like the one that I share to you through the Pinterest ya, the one that I've sent to the meeting chat. Nah, and then I also giving the instruction to follow up with me. And then and one or the many students think that I can do it better, and then they did. Cuma nanti hasilnya ternyata kurang dan diprotes sama the other art teacher. Itu yang jadi perkara di sini. It will always be the problem like that one happening in the meeting. So please understand that need to follow one. And after that, if you've done with this, ya kan ini kan cuma gambar. Until maybe 8:30 kita udah kelar lah. Ini kan 8:20. Tinggal 10 menit lagi gambar sunflower itu nggak mudah. Nah, after you done with one sunflower, if you think you can do and try to experiment with different shape, ya. Like for example, sir, I think rose itu susah. I would like to try. Nah, try and then send through the meeting chat to me. Private message is fine. Sir, is this the way that I do it? This is the sunflower and then this is the rose. Is there anything wrong? Nah, nanti situ sir bisa koreksi. Jadi please ya, grade 8, communicate with me. Right now, you still remember in every time I need you to turn on the camera. But for this one, it's okay. At least, yeah, I know lah. In every meeting kan, sometimes you need to have like the connection problem, and then you need to be focused on making it, so you don't have to turn on the camera. But the results and the progress, I can see it. Usually the other teacher will force you to do so. Kirimin ya, kalau nggak kirimin, nanti lo akan dapat nilai jelek. Nah, something like that. But I don't want to force anyone like that kind of things, because art is supposed to be you taking it into the account of doing it, and after that submit, and then the progress I can see it, it's fine. Because this is not the major things that you really need to have in your life, but the art is part of our life. So be understand with that. I respect your time. I respect you. You don't have to turn on camera, but please respect mine. Okay. The progress of the shading will be consisting of where's the dark part of it. Yeah. For example, you still do remember, right? Last time, if apalagi, now we are talking about the sunflower. Sunflower goes to the light source, yeah, LR, the light source. So the shadows, it's supposed to be going into this direction for the shadows. And then after that, if I turn on again this one, let me just try to finish out with this sunflower. You can try to do it even with yourself, how to make the shape for it. Especially the easiest part is for facing right into your eyes. Now like this one, create the middle part of it. Like you see, it has like this kind of technique divided into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nah, but in order to create the petals, you can try to create it like longer for this 8. Feel it. Okay. And yeah, sometimes you can create with a different kind of shape lah ya, like this one. Not really terlalu kaku, not doing it that. because it will create like the illusion of a fake flower. Now usually the natural parts of the flower supposed to be with the different. Nah, ada yang longer, ada yang shorter, and then adding the back part of the sunflower. Nah, okay, ya. Nah, for the shape of the leaf, usually how to make it is ya you know lah. Nah, yang saya pengen lihat dari grade 8 ya, I would like to see from the grade 8, you have the logic to not doing the flower only like this. Okay? Why? Because yeah, it's like a lower primary kind of a leaf lah if you doing it like that. But please be understand that this can be upgraded into this form. Yeah, it has the dark side. Not dark, sorry. It doesn't. I doesn't mean to say dark side. So it has the dark part of this. Now, this side is going to be darker. Nah, and it's better than you only doing the leaf like this. This one, it doesn't mean it's not wrong. Yeah, but it's too simple. Now you need to create the variety. Okay, variety is much more better. Nah, in order to do that, the other shape of the sunflower, the last part ya, again, make it in the middle, little like this. Going to the outside. Nah. Okay. Yeah, we wait ya. I'm going to retrace. You can try to do the retracing of your sunflower with the HB from the HB pencil to the 2B pencil, like starting in the middle part of it. Okay. Nah, kok buatnya kayak gitu, sir? Nah, gini, if you think you can just do it like this, it's fine. But the texture of the sunflower, usually I zoom it ya, I zoom a little bit, it's like this. Nah, karena kan dia the shape part of the sunflower, it's supposed to be like this one. Nah, and then this area darker, this area darker. Okay. Nah, you see, it creates this kind of texture, ya. Walaupun nggak terlalu detail, doesn't have to be so much detail. Sebenarnya kalau detail inside itu gimana sih, sir? Gini aja, bikin seperti pineapple, like this, garis-garis. Gitu, jadi saling silang. The details of it, nah, it's supposed to be like this nih. Nah, for the center part, okay. Nah, after that, ya udah, the finalize the petals starting from this one. Nah, the way you create the petals, nah, not always like this ya. but it can be also like this. The variety. Okay. I'll just make it quick. I promise to you kan sekitar 8:30 it's supposed to be finished. Yeah, like this one. Alright. Nah. And then there you go. Okay. How is it coming from you? That's it. 8:30. Sketch of sunflower. Not without the shading, but the techniques part of it coming from the basic shapes, circle, and after that making the slice part of it, the variety of the petals, and finally you can see the composition of it. Yeah. Coba. I would like to see how is it is going to your own sketching.
So,
yeah, Brandon.
So you see, sir, I'm trying to draw the sunflower, right?
Yeah.
I'm failing at drawing a sunflower.
How is it fail, Brandon?
I drew a circle, right? So I drew the petals.
Yeah.
So I looked at the proportions. The petals were too small.
Okay.
And the bud was too big. So I had to restart. And then I tried the sideways looking one. And then I realized, how do I do the petals that are facing, like, that are covering the bud without making me confused? So I scratched that, so I'm starting over.
All right. Now, here's the thing. Which is more like the easier way for you? Is it going to the front side or from the sideways? I know the sideways, it's kind of moderate. Yeah, sorry?
Yeah, the sideways is far harder than the one in the front.
Yeah. Now, the thing is the anatomy of the sunflower. If you see it, right, Brandon, yeah, let me do it on the side, yeah. I mean, in the besides of this one. Now, usually you start with the big circle in the middle, right, like this, like a donuts kind of thing. Now, after that, have you tried to make it this as a guide for you? Like, for example, now if you have this, I try to make even the the proportion of the guideline, this guide, yeah, it doesn't have to be in the same exact way. Like, for example, if you connect each part of it like this, Brandon, with the HB, yeah, I don't mean to use the 2B pencil, like that one. Or, Brandon, you can try to make it in the same, with the eraser, you can try to make it in the same way, like this, to make another circle. Okay, it is really like the idea for you. If you make it in the same circle way, and then you can try have this follow up along for the petals, right? Now, the one that I sent to the meeting chat is doing it like this with the same kind of structure of the petal. After that, Brandon, you can add little things behind it. Nah, how is it? Like this.
Okay, sir. I'll try again, sir.
Yeah. Right. Thank you very much for the response, yeah. And also, if should there be anything troubling you doing it, everybody, you can just try speak it out, and also even send it to the meeting chat or something. And please remind me, because when I'm doing it, I can't really see the screen. When I'm focusing into the other screen, I mean. Okay. Nah, for those who already think this one is pretty much easy to draw, you can try to have another different position or the angles of the sunflower. Like I mentioned to you guys, if for some reason you find the sunflower is going to this side or this angle, it's always start. Brandon, sorry, you can continue with the front. Yeah, you don't have to follow up with the other things that I did, but I did this. But of course, this for the others, okay? If they are going to try to challenge themselves. Nah, another tricks that you can try to do is after you do this circle or the oval, because it's sideways. Now, and create this. Not only the other circle that you need to do it like the other oval, but also you can try to use this only like the guideline, like facing. Yeah.
Can you teach me how to create an oval, sir? A circle that miring, sir. Dari dulu nggak bisa, sir.
Nggak bisa gambar apa, Santosa? Sorry.
Circle yang miring.
Circle yang miring. Oke.
Yes.
Yang seperti gini ya. Like this one ya.
Yeah.
Nah, gini. Semua circle, in every circle ya, you have to think about the kotak dulu. Kamu kalau nggak pakai penggaris aja, penggaris tipis ya. Nah, kayak gini. Ini triknya. This is the tricks. Oh, sorry. I will create the new the new canvas. Ini saya kirim ke ini dulu. I'll send it into the meeting chat. Nanti saya bikinin, nah supaya saya bisa new canvas. Oke. Ya, ada di meeting chat. Oke, nah ini untuk circle yang miring atau apapun itu. Oke, guys, if you would like to learn about this. Nih, remember ya, try to create the kotaknya dulu. Try to create the square. Like for example like this. Nih, ini kan jajaran genjang nih, ya kan Santosa? Or maybe if you think like this, nih ya, bentuknya gini nih, jajaran genjang, terus satu lagi yang benar-benar begini. Udah gitu, remember, you can try to use tipis-tipis dulu pakai pensil HB like this nih, kayak Microsoft Windows punya logo. Nah, udah gitu connect with this. Connect this. Pelan-pelan connect. Nah, jadi kayak gini. Ya. Tuh, ini caranya sebenarnya. Kalau mau benar-benar bikin arah-arah daripada angle lingkaran yang seperti ini, oke? This is how to do it. You make remember if ya kalau nggak bikin gini aja dulu, tipis-tipis kayak kotak begini. Nah, terus udah gitu baru kira-kira isi di tengahnya. Itu cara untuk bikin lingkaran ke samping or things like that one. Jadi nanti gini lagi, gini perhatiin ya. Ini kan the way of the perspective. Jadi caranya misalnya kamu lihat kalau kamu bikin lingkaran begini, terus bikin lagi lingkaran begini di belakangnya. You can try to connect this ya with the ruler or not. Kalau misalnya pakai ruler, nih bikin begini. No. Ngerti nggak Sentosa? Maksud Sar. Jadi kalau bentuknya walaupun miring begini ya, terus kamu bikin tadi lingkaran, terus nanti ceritanya nggak mau bikin flower nih, ceritanya mau bikin benda lain. Nah, and then you can create this kurang lebih kayak gini, yang tadi pakai kotak. Nah, terus konekin nih ujung-ujungnya. Nah, after you connect this kind of thing, jadilah benda seperti begini. Nah, gitu loh. Everything goes to the basic shape. It can start with the square. Gimanapun jajaran genjangnya, it will depend on you. Nah, for example ya, if I use ini, nih, di sini ada program rectangle nih namanya nih. Nah, saya bikin rectangle ya. Nah, seperti gini. After I've done with this, terus saya bisa bikin dia distort. Contohnya nih, saya bikin gini. Nah, udah saya bikin begini, bentuknya mau kayak gimana gila kayak, mau misalnya kayak gini. Nah, kayak kotaknya kan jadi seperti gini. Terus kemudian saya tinggal imagine aja. Saya tarik garis ke sini, saya tarik garis ke sini. Gitu. Ini gimana cara kira-kiranya sih, Sir? Kalau matematika sebenarnya if it's maths, ini kurang lebih sama dengan ini kurang lebih sama dengan ini ya kan? It will be like the same. After that, nah you can just create this. Udah. Jadi kayak gitu. Buat dari kotak. Oke ya.
Oke, Sir. Thank you, Sir.
Oke. Ya, sama-sama. Jadi balik lagi ke sunflower. If you've done with this, nah the next step it's supposed to be kan shading. But I leave the time for everybody to try to finish the sketch first. But for those who would like to update with the shading part because you think that sir easy lah bikin gini, GG, good game. Nah udah gitu ya tinggal kita buat shadingnya aja. And then because it's recorded, and then you can go back to it later on. Nah yang penting sekarang kalian selesaikan dulu aja sketchnya. Cuman abis itu for the shading part, always remember where's the light source ya, the LR. Nah after that determine the shadow. I will start doing it from this side, and then the background, not so the background, the back of the petals, it's going to be darker. Always have that kind of logic, the way of shading it ya. Jadi yang sebelah sini lebih gelap because the sun is not directly touch the area, but for the petals to looks like it has the texture of it, whether we are doing it with the pencil, not the color pencil first, or not the without the color. Nah, doing some part of this, it will create kind of the dynamic texture lah for the sunflowers to be seen quite nice ya. Nah, and then this area will be darker. Okay. Okay. Like that one. Nah, should there be any concern with the middle part of it? If you start with the middle part, just to remember the texture. Now let me go with this, with the texture, the inside. Lebih dekat deh. Nah, you can make the darker part of this area, with the color, with the pencil, with the 2B, ditekan with the much more pressure, and then you could, just doing a dots. Dots like this. Nah, and then it's looking like that, only with the dots. Again, let me doing it for the middle part. This one yang Brandon tadi redo ya, could be easier to see. Nah, kan the center like this. And then the other part, I make it a darker area for this side, okay? Nah, to finish this, you don't have to create the texture like, sorry to say, if it's a lower primary, usually I do this kind of thing. Nih, kalau lower primary ya, yang tadi saya bilang. Nah, kita buat gini dulu. We start to do making things like this to look like it's easier. Nah, but for the logical explanation for you, this is supposed to be the same. In the end, how to render this is like, for example, if we are not doing to have that kind of texture, you can easily make a little dots like this. From the heavier shadow to the lighter one. Like a dots. Okay, so you see, that's the texture of the inside sunflower. Usually sih sebenarnya lebih tebal. Maksud saya, the way that I'm going to use the pencil, it's like this, making it not too much white. Like this one. Then foil will be the center part of the sunflower. Nah, okay. How about the mechanical pencil, sir? Jadi gini, this is the thing ya. If you are using the mechanical pencil, lastly, you can add much more detail with the mechanical pencil with this structure. You don't have to try to outline kayak gini, ya, it will become bad. But in my case, using the mechanical pencil, you can add more detail into some parts of the I don't know what to call the center, yeah. I just call it the center of the sunflower because it has the name, but I forgot what the name it is. Nah. Okay, to create the details and make it visible enough for our eyes to clearly see it. Okay, like that one. That will be a good mechanical pencil to use in between the shading with the wooden pencil. Continue with the dark tone. Okay. Nah, let me stop with this, and then I would like to see from your progress because it's 15 more minutes. Yeah, please just make it short. Yeah, you can just turn on the camera once and then show it to me. How's your progress? Or else there will be nothing to see. Okay. Itu kenapa pakai pen, Jaden? Ya, nggak apa-apa sih.
See it.
Oh, ya, I think, do you have the drawing pen? Itu pen biasa ya, Jaden?
Iya.
Oh, lebih baik sih kalau if you have ya drawing pen yang biasanya ada 0.5 or something, itu lebih better ya kalau buat di outline.
You mean
Instead
like
of
this, sir?
yeah, you did with that because
Oh no,
it's
no.
not okay. That one, Jaden, it's for the final product sih sebenarnya. But if we are talking about the shading with the pencil, the outline, it's better if you have the mechanical pencil. That's my suggestion ya. Daripada you itemin seperti itu, you outline that one, it will become kaku, rigid, okay, not natural. Coba Devon, gimana?
Tunggu sir,
Your
virtual
background
backgroundnya
black.
error sir.
Oh, iya.
Oke sir, nih bisa lihat nggak sir? I pakai pensil HB dulu sir. I
Oh,
salah
iya.
pakai pensil sir. I pakai 2B dulu. Salah banget I.
Oh, 2B.
Nggak
Jadi ya,
lihat tuh.
if you are using 2B, problemnya ntar susah dihapus, jadinya kotor.
Iya, memang sir.
Ya udah, it's okay. Mendingan gini, daripada susah pakai di webcam kan mesti matiin background segala. If you can just have the progress, lebih baik ya, it's better ya for me to have it. Nggak tahu ya, tergantung kalian. It depends on you because sometimes it's better if you have the progress, you can take a photo a bit. Jadi, oh ternyata di progress yang di sini kamu bisa send ke saya, kayak gitu. Jadi nggak harus tunjukin ke situ karena because ya for some reason maybe the connection or anything itu kan bakal ngeblur. Nah jadi ya my suggestion sih sebenarnya kalau for art class ya apalagi online kayak gini kan difficult. Kalau ada progresnya bisa di send bit by bit. And then I can iya berarti kurang di sininya ya. Gitu ya grade
Sir,
8.
nanti submitnya di assignment folder ya sir?
Iya ya di assignment folder yang sebelum kelas I udah bikin di situ.
Progresnya
Nah,
auto apa?
kenapa sorry?
Progresnya aja auto finish. Ya.
for the assignment folder ya, it's better you have the progress plus the finish one. Jadi saya ada bisa ngelihat, oh ternyata when you try to draw it, even though it's wrong or even though you have the mistakes, nanti kita bisa dari sana, you can go from there, that part, and I can go directly to you. Usually some of the students, not every grade ya, sometimes yang biasanya ada tektok dengan saya, itu grade 7, makanya sorry to say nih, the communication is the key, even though it's an online, and then you might be, yeah, it's in the morning, sir, that I'm not really concentrate. But the thing is, nah, I giving a time for you. The submission kan until 9 ya, at tonight. In between that, if you would like to send something to the, and then giving the heads up to me, sir, I send the progress, and then is there anything wrong? Nah, dari situ saya bisa pakai ini screen saya, nanti saya koreksi, saya kirim lagi ke kalian gitu ya. Nah, usually thank you very much for sharing it. Usually for the correction, nah itu di my program yang this one, the digital one, is I can record the progress like the doing it when I'm having, for example, Devon, kamu bisa kirimin ke saya nggak contoh yang misalnya progress kamu, or anyone lah, nggak harus Devon, siapapun lah, kirimin ke saya aja, nanti saya kirimin balik the progressnya itu berupa kayak time lapse. Time lapse it means that where I start to correct side by side, nanti kamu bisa ngeliat oh di sini perubahannya gitu loh. Jadi kayak GIF, animated GIF 1, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, something like that. Coba deh, I would like you to experience the hands-on correction. Ya, because I was thinking about doing it kayak gini nih, bentar. Waktu kemarin Chinese New Year, sebenarnya saya udah bikin a little bit like that time lapse. And then I put it in my Instagram, kayak proses buat pembuatannya. Cuman ya namanya time lapse kan, itu kan geraknya cepat. Like 13 seconds or something. Nah, bentar ya. I send it into the meeting chat. It's uploading. Ini MP4. Jadi biasanya pre-record after I done with the drawing, the program can record by itself. Nah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, you need to download. You need to download it first. Nah, that one is the example of time lapse. Doing it, yeah, like in the quick way. It's recorded by the program itself. Now, at least the one that you have sent to me with the screenshot or maybe the photo that you sent, I can make the time lapse with the program that directly on top of your drawing. Yeah, so that's the solution that I think it's better rather than 22 of you one by one sending it to me and then I don't have enough time to reply back. Now, but some part of the drawing that I send to you later on will be doing it with the time lapse like that one. Ya, bisa dilihat kan ya, the video yang CNY?
Bisa, sir.
Nah, iya kayak gitu, Sentosa. Jadi kalau gambar kamu ada yang kamu send ke saya, terus nanti saya record pakai time lapse, itu otomatis dengan programnya, and then I can send it back to you. Jadi you bisa lihat, oke gitu. Nah, and then you can pause something like that, ya.
Oke.
Oke ya, tinggal 5 more minutes. Ya, I would like to at least you guys update to me nanti into the assignment folder ada steps-nya if you have it. I mean, it doesn't have to be had the steps, but the final product you send to the
Sir,
folder.
I have a question. How did you draw the middle?
Which one? Sorry, Michael.
The middle of the image.
Yang mana? Yang ngadep depan, in the front or side?
The front one. The
front one. The one I share over here ya. How to draw it. Nah.
Yes.
Nih. Let me just do with this new layer. Okay. Gini Michael. First one, you can draw the circle kan. And then the circle in the middle. You ask about the detail of the inside, right? Or the whole. Michael, sorry. The sound is breaking.
No. It's just my mom.
Oke. Nah, if you start with this, now just do remember, I usually tell the lower primary to start with this technique, yeah. Now with this technique for making it looks like a pineapple texture lah, for some reason. Nah, like this, okay. Now, but actually, in the way that you are going to render it means that giving the shading, is you can try to follow up with the texture, but adding this. You don't have to make it full shading, but only some part of the sunflower middle, like this one, yeah. Now, why I'm doing this? This looks like the one that I'm telling you. If you have a donut and then you shading this area to make it looks like 3D looks. Nah, 3D, three-dimensional. Jadi, and then the inside part of it like this. Nah, after you're done, you can try to add more, yeah, like a 2B pencil in this inside part of this, just a bit. Nah, and with the mechanical pencil, if you have with you mechanical pencil, yeah, I'm doing it like this, yeah, is to make the detail part of the side. Nih, if you are doing with the mechanical pencil. Itu aja, Michael. Not everything need to be outline, yeah. This one is, I call it outline. Not every part, but some detail.
I don't know how to draw a circle.
Huh? I mentioned to Sentosa before. You can start to do it with this. Nih. If you have the ruler, yeah, if you have the ruler, you can start to do it with this one. The square divide by 4. Nah, nih sorry nih, I just make it quick, jadi agak random bentuknya. But the thing is, you can try to connect each part of this. Nah, to make the circle. It doesn't have to be perfect circle, but at least you get it lah. Nah, after you get that, ya you tinggal hapus. That's it. Tinggal hapus luarnya. Makanya I suggest for everybody, ya sorry because it's a 2 minutes left. You need to have the 2B pencil with you or HB. Nah, 2B itu buat di outline, re-outline. I mean redo it. But the HB pencil you can easily erase that. Nah, and then you can get this circle. Yeah. So, Michael, the circle can be any shape, any angle, like this one. I start again with the symbol of the windows. Nah, and then after that, create this. And if you create something like this distortion, why so much distortion, and it creates things like that. Okay. Honestly, when you do it something like a trapezium with divided 4 area like this, you can create anything, any oval facing any angle. See?
The angle.
Yeah, any angles like that one. Yeah. Remember, do the what is called the square first. After that, try to divide into 4 and then connect the points. Then it will become the circle. Okay, guys, it's 9.
Okay.
Thank you very much. You need to try it, and after that, the final product that you need to send to me is only the shading. Yeah, you don't have to be fulfill it with everything, but at least the shading. It doesn't have to be this tree, but this tree is only the example that I shared with you guys. If one is good and it's better, yes, Manik, I can see it. Just try to fill it out, yeah, with the details and the texture. Okay, thank you very much.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Remember ya, to update through the assignment. Thank you.
Okay, bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.